So we stopped at number 32. Page 32. 32, yeah. This is it. So I need to 33. Oh, no, I've done this one too. Yeah, she said that when we wanted to cross check. I know, yes. Sir, why moving to page 38? 38. I've done this side. Okay. 38. Sir, 38.
Okay, you start at number 38. All right. You know what? Could
It's
you
not
ask your mommy to take please ask your mommy to take a picture of that page and send to me on WhatsApp. All right, please
okay, sir.
do that.
The test is coming. So which number are we doing? This side. 41.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, my good.
Yes, sir. Well done, sir.
So we just needed you to help us with a picture of that page.
Okay, no problem, sir. No problem. Is it this place?
41.
Okay. Precious.
No, is it because of the woman?
No.
How did you know the gate very well?
Look at this light is looking at 6 now.
It's live. They put babies like this one. They put glasses on, Sherry. It will not look very funny. Daddy knows something.
Is your lady's speech? Is your lady's speech?
No.
Stop writing rubbish on that. Which side again?
No, on the other side. This side.
Please, sir, confirm if it's clear for you, sir, or I can resnap. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's clear for me.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you, man.
No, we thank God, sir. Oh, yeah,
Okay.
concentrate. Concentrate.
All right, faith and favor
Huh?
are mostly basic science. That means we're already done with the math questions, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll do the basic science. I'm looking at us hopefully moving back to math soon. It's just for we can take a break from math in the meantime.
Okay, sir.
All right. Okay. Now just try to remind me that question, the last question there, number 40. Was that's the last question for maths, right?
Yes, sir.
You have that in your book, or we have to do that one before we go to the basic science?
No, we have it in our book.
Have it in, okay. All right, that's good. Okay. All right, so let's quickly take on basic science and then um, let's see how far we go. All right, so the first question in basic science, then number 41, it says the symbol above is used to connect wires, is used to A, connect wires to circuit, B, generate energy, C, change energy to other forms, D, produce light when heated. Have you ever seen that symbol before? Have you seen
No.
that symbol before? No.
No.
Okay. All right. No problem. Let me share my screen and show you how. Um. So now, can you see my screen?
No, sir. You have seen it.
Okay. So anytime you see this symbol, let me draw it. Let me see if I can draw it. Okay, like this. It's part of a circuit. Looks like sometimes they draw. You usually see one line long and another one short like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you see it?
Yes, sir.
But they look like they're parallel to each other, but they stand very close to each other. Anytime you see two lines like that, right, and then you usually see the circuit continuing. That that symbol represents itself. Okay, so among the options, which one looks more correct? There, let's look at it.
This
Connect
small.
wires to a circuit and produce
Small.
light when. Which one do you think is correct?
Small.
Did you get my question?
Yes, sir. Big one.
Okay, let me explain again. I said among the options, which one
Sir?
do you think is correct?
Sir, your voice is
That,
cracking. Is it among
among the options, which one is correct?
A? Yes, it's A.
A, connect wires to a circuit. No, it's not A. So the answer is D.
What
Okay, electrical
is
cell.
what
That's
is
a cell.
is
Now
D?
D, generate energy. Generate energy. Okay. Now I don't. Have you ever seen the inside of anything that uses a battery before, like
Of
your
the what?
torchlight, a
Yes,
phone?
sir.
What do you think? If you remove the battery from your mom's phone, for instance, now, do you think it will work?
No, sir.
Thank you very much. That's exactly what that battery does. It generates energy that enables electricity to flow inside the phone and makes it to come alive. Okay? That's what makes the phone work. So that symbol represents itself, all right, in a circuit. Remember, one wire, one long wire and one short one. They usually stand side by side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So have you written that down in your book?
No, sir.
Remember to write basic science before you write this one, so we know that it is basic science that we're doing. Okay. Are you done?
No, sir. Favour is done. Done.
Okay, good. All right. So this number 42 says, which of the following is a constituent of granite? Now, what does the word constituent mean?
Consequence.
Not consequence, so constituent of granite. Constituent, not consequence. Consequence is different. Consequence has a Q in it. Can you see that this one doesn't have a Q in it?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So, constituent. Okay, when so constituent means, let me tell you what it means. So constituent means something that makes up another thing. All right. So for instance, granite is usually black in color. All right, granite. Have you ever seen? You people have seen a pencil before now.
Yes.
Uh-huh. That black part of your pencil, okay?
Yes.
That black part of your pencil is is what is well, we call it lead, but it's not lead per se. All right. It is that.
Excuse me, sir. I want to write consequent means in my book.
They want to write it in your book. Do you have a
Yes,
place for writing words at this time?
yes, sir.
Oh, that's good. What do you call that part of your book?
My jotting book.
Okay, okay. Is it the same one that you use for um for the other subject? I hope it's not the same one that you use for the other subject.
No, it was not for that other subject.
Okay. All right. Okay. So in this case, are you ready to write it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to paste something here. Just give me a minute. You know what I can you know what I posted?
Yes, sir.
Now, the first part, um, constituent, that's what it means. Let me just write it there. Anyway, you can see the spelling in your book, right? So
Yes,
just
sir.
put, you can write it like that in your book. Constituent, okay? Constituent is a word and it means being part of a whole. Now, this sentence under it, the constituent minerals of the rock, is an example of how it's used, okay? So the fun part of our learning is that somehow we're also learning English too. Okay, so have you written down the meaning of constituent?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Remember, don't write it where you write the other subject. So maybe you can write it at the back of your book or something. And write other words that you discover as you study every day. Are you done writing? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so let's go back to our question. The question, remember, constituent means being part of a whole. That means being something that is part of the other thing. So, for instance, the constituent minerals of a rock means the minerals that make up that rock. Okay, so let's go back to the question. The question says, what which of the following is a constituent? That is, it makes up granite. It's part of granite. Okay. Now the answer is E, which is quad. Okay. So you can write it in your book. Quad, part of granite. Have you written it down?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let me see if I can tell you some other parts, some other things that are um in granite. there's something called feldspar. Okay. I'll spell it. Just give me a minute. Let me write it here. Okay. Granite is composed or made up of. You can write this in your book as I'm typing it so that we save time. Granite is composed or made up of uh, quartz. Writing.
Yes, sir.
That's good. So we don't waste time. And feldspar. Okay? Maybe I think there are even more. So before you write feldspar, let's put a comma. Quartz, feldspar, and mica. Okay? When you're done writing, let me know.
Perfect is done.
Let me Favour.
Favour is done.
Excellent. Okay, so that's the answer. Quartz. So you would see that the other ones are not mentioned. Feldspar and mica, they are not mentioned. So we're sure of the answer. Okay, let's go to number 43. Are you ready?
43.
Yes. Who wants to read for us? Okay, let Faith read for us. Faith, go ahead.
When the moon comes in between the sun and the earth, it is results as a eclipse of the moon. That is the answer.
Eclipse of the. Are you sure about it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No, it's an annual eclipse because it happens once a year.
Hmm? Look at that word very well. It didn't say annual. It says annular. Is there anything like annular? I've never heard that word annular before. I'm not sure about it. But I want you to look at the other options. Look at the other options. Now, let me give you a picture. Now, I want you to imagine you are looking at the sun. Let's just imagine we're looking at the sun. Okay? And then something now blocks the sun. Did you get what I just said?
Yes, it's an eclipse.
Thank you. It's an eclipse. Now, is it eclipse of the sun?
Yes.
No, answer me. Is it eclipse of the moon or eclipse of the sun?
Eclipse of the moon. I mean sun.
Eclipse of the sun. Do you know what? Let me even shock you. The meaning of the word eclipse means to hide something.
Yes, I've seen it before.
So if the moon, please take note. Remember the moon. Do you remember that the moon doesn't produce its own light?
Yes.
Faith and Favour, do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. The sun is a solid object. It just reflects the light that the sun shines on it. So if the moon is solid, and you know that anytime, okay, now Faith and Favour, let's imagine that you are looking and not blocked out all the light.
You say?
Let's say there's light in front of you, and then Favour now came between you and that light. Favour not block out the light.
Yes.
Because light cannot pass through Favour. That's the same thing. The light from the sun cannot pass through the moon. So the moon coming between the sun and the earth will block the sun. So that is called hiding the sun, which is what? Eclipse of the sun. Does it make sense now?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we're going with C, okay? People done eclipses.
Yes, sir.
So go back and check your notes. You will see that what I'm saying is,
Our daddy has told us before that it happened once in a secondary school,
that's exactly.
but we have never seen it before.
I've seen it.
Yes, it's good that day.
But don't worry, you when whenever those kind of events want to happen, they usually announce it on the internet. So you will hear it. They usually announce it.
I've seen it before. Yeah, for you, it's only you that have seen it. It's not me. It's you. I've seen it before. Yeah, no. It's
So
only
it's like
you.
I only people that have seen it. Okay. All right, let's go to the next question. Are you ready? So who read for us? 43 for us? Was it? It was Faith that read it, right?
Number 44.
Yes.
Say an organ acid found in milk is.
Okay. So that word is supposed to be organic. You know, I told you that this thing is possible that they have what the typographical errors, right? Do you remember? Who
Yeah.
remembers?
Yes, like in our mathematics, they showed 82 instead of number 8. And in English, they wrote 5, 7 instead of 9, instead of 5, 6, 7. They wrote 5, 7, 8,
Why do you
9.
think that happens? Why do you think that kind of thing happens?
Because of this error.
Because of what?
Error.
Yes, human error. Thank you. It's human beings that who do those things. So you can expect human error to always come into the picture. And sometimes human error, which can be avoided, right? We can only avoid it by always cross-checking our work. And you know that have you people ever noticed something that whenever you cross-check your work yourself, you don't see the errors that you make. Who has
Yes,
noticed it?
I've seen the errors that I've made. So many. I've made 15 of them.
Now, so sometimes, do you know that it is better for you to tell somebody else to check your work because you may not even see the ones that you make yourself. You may see
Yeah,
some
that's what me and my
that will
friend were doing. Usually do.
exactly good. That's a good. So always do that. Always check your work. All right. So the answer to this question is D. Sorry, did I say D? E.
Is B.
It's E.
E.
Lactic.
What
Yes.
is
It's called.
lactic?
Yeah. All right. Now you see now it's science, so you people are learning a lot today. So please take note of it. There's an acid called lactic acid. Okay. Um, it's found in milk. All right. It's found in milk.
Okay, sir.
Mm.
Done.
Okay.
Because this is an
Okay. Now, just because are we listening? Are we listening?
yes, sir. It's not
Okay.
cis.
First,
It's not
I said
cis.
I didn't see you lactic. I didn't say citric. I didn't say citric. Please take note. Lactic. Citric is for which fruit? Who can tell me quickly? Faith, Favour. Who can tell me? Citric is for which fruit? I've even given you a clue. Citric.
Milo. Milo.
Eh?
Yeah. Yeah, Milo. Yeah.
Half our time. I'm asking her a question. Is
Me.
Milo a fruit?
No, it is in a fruit. I think it's in apples.
That's it. You are not sure. I want somebody that is sure.
I'm sure if it's apple.
You are wrong, go. You are
It's
wrong.
in oranges.
Thank you. Now you are talking. If you
Never seen
ask
it.
what oranges, all right. Take note. Amino acid is in what? Amino B is in what? Let's just look at most of them. We're not looking at all of them. Amino acid is found in what? Who can guess? Okay, sorry, no, don't guess. Are you sure? I want somebody that is sure. Who knows what?
Amino.
Yes, amino.
I'm sure that it's apples.
No, it's not in apples. It's not in the fruit
Milo.
set.
Yeah, Milo. Come.
Not in Milo.
I think it's tangerine.
Not yes, tangerine is in the same class as orange. That means it's acid. Oh, now please, I need you to listen. And I like the fact that you even said tangerine. Now listen carefully. Tangerine, grape, all those fruits that look like orange, right? Can you mention them? Tangerine, grape, next?
Grape. With berries.
No, berries don't look like oranges. Give me fruits that look like oranges. Oh,
Tangerine. Grapes. Cherry.
okay. So how about lemon?
Lime.
Oh, thank you, lime. All those fruits that when you cut them open, they look like the way oranges look. All of them contain what?
I like
Citric
it like
acid. You get that? Can you write that down in your book?
Sir?
Can you write it down in your book? All those fruits that we just mentioned now that look like oranges, all of them contain citric acid.
All those fruits contains
Yes,
what?
citric acid. And write them in your book. Should I write them for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Orange, grapes, what else? Tangerine, what else? Lime, what else? Lemon. Okay, so just put etc because there may be more, but we don't want to mention all of them now. All of them contain citric.
Contains citric.
Yes, please take note. So they contain citric acid. I'm telling you this so that in case you see a question tomorrow on citric acid, you will know which one to pick correctly. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
the answer for today's own is not citric acid.
Sir,
I
faith is
just
done. So I
nice.
think anytime I was small, I used to think that in the human body, our body, when we used to cut our, if someone they want to explore our body, they cut our body open. Then as they break one part of it to be looking like orange.
And they bring blood or worm. I didn't hear what you said.
No, I said that when she was small,
You used to think that what?
that if somebody wants to explore human body, that they open it, they tear one part, it will be looking like as if it's orange. But I noticed that it's just blood that's flowing through. Yeah. Yes.
All right. So do you want to know about amino acid? You want to know about amino acid?
I know how to know.
Okay. So amino acids are found in protein. What did I say?
Amino acids are found the root. Amino acids
Yes,
are found.
in protein. Can tell me examples of protein. Examples of proteins. You can't tell me that you don't know this one. No. If
I
you don't know
know
it,
it.
just report it to your mom. No. Yeah. Examples of amino
Fruits.
fruits. Okay. No.
No,
Protein.
vegetables.
Protein.
Hey, vegetable. Vegetable has carbohydrates. Yes.
Okay, look at what I have there. Meat.
Minerals.
Okay.
Fat
Mineral.
and oil.
No. Fat and oil are found in fat. You can even hear from the name fat. Okay, so just
Meat.
those things that when you eat them, they give you protein. Okay. Hmm?
Eggs.
Beans.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now you're talking. Eggs.
Chicken.
No. Yeah, chicken. Chicken falls under meat now. Okay, fish, meat.
Milk. Milk.
Okay, yeah, milk. Okay, so you know what it now means? It means that milk contains not just amino acids, it has a bit of lactic acid. But primarily, the what? The organic acid that you find in milk is lactic acid, okay?
Yes.
All right. So can we go on to the next question?
So number 5. Number 5, 45.
45.
In man urine is passed out of the body through a tube is called bladder.
I didn't see it there. Who read it? I didn't see it. Okay, now let me read the question.
A man urine is
Hold on.
passed out.
That format. Favour, did you see that format there?
Sir?
Did you see that format there?
Yes. In a man, urine is passed out
That's right. I like
the
that.
body through a tube called bladder. It's not called bladder. It's called pelvis. Yes. I know pelvis here. Intestine. Yeah.
Hey, no, it's not.
Bladder.
It's
Sorry, bladder.
not bladder. I thought somebody said bladder, and I said no. Bladder is the organ that it doesn't pass through the tube. Do you get? Bladder is not a tube. Did you get that?
Yes.
Let me show you. Just hold on. Let me show you a picture.
Oh.
Have you put done it in school?
No. I'm not done it in school.
Don't worry. I'll show you a picture now. Just hold on. Image.
I have a question. Does girls have bladder?
Does what?
Girls have bladder.
Everybody has a bladder. It's not whether girls or boys. Okay. Everybody has an thing. All right, so I'm going to show you a picture now, so you'll see the answer to our question. Just hold on a bit. It's coming up.
That is the tube. Yeah. Yes, now. Is or sir, can I write this down on the on
Now,
this?
the intestine is for food, or as for digestion of food. It's not for urine. It's liquid waste. Are we together?
I know.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
What did I say? Urine is liquid waste.
Yes.
That's the answer. Okay, so now please look at the picture I'm going to show you now. Watch. I'm sharing my screen.
Sir, what is orange?
That is it. Now that's the answer to our question. Urethra. Can you see it at the bottom there? The last one on this diagram. Can you see it?
I only God know why I pick it. I would have picked another one. Only God
I want you to listen. Please, I will listen. I will listen.
It is through the kidney that is so fine. Far
I will
away.
listen.
Yes, sir.
Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Now, did you notice that there's urethra after the, and then there's bladder, and then there's urethra? Did you see the difference?
Please get the answer.
You did see the difference, faith and favor.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Faith is
The
so
urine
happy that
oh,
she's jealous. Jealous, God, jealously.
hold on. Please listen. The bladder stores urine. Eh? Let me ask you. That time that you feel like going to use the toilet, you
Oh,
want to wee. Where do you think the urine is stored? Where do you think the urine is? Who can
bladder,
tell me?
bladder,
Thank you very much. When you're about to pass it out, where does it pass out through?
ureter.
No, not see. Please take note. Oh. See, listen. There are two. There's ureter. That's not the correct answer. That one is coming from the kidney. That's not the one they're asking for. They're asking for the one that comes out from the bladder, which is what? You pronounce it correctly.
Urine.
Uri, are you afraid? Pronounce it now. Ureta. Tra, tra, tra.
Urethra.
Okay.
Urethra.
That's the correct answer. Can you see? Sometimes they put those kind of things in a question to confuse you. So you'll be thinking, which one is correct now? Is it ureta or urethra? All of them are in the same diagram. But please take note. The one that urine comes out from is the one that comes out from the what? From the bladder. Okay?
Yes. Yes. Please got it. I know.
All right. Hey, have you guys written the answer?
Yeah. Wait, no.
You've not written the answer.
No. You said that when you're explaining, we should not write.
Go ahead and write now.
What done?
Okay. That's easy, right? The answer. All right. Let's look at the next one. It says, which of the following insects is an agent of pollination? Who knows what pollination is? What is pollination?
Pollination types of insects.
Did you hear what I said? I said pollination.
Pollination.
Yes.
Pollination is where them types of animals they carry something on their stomach. No, bees and butterfly they can do pollination because of they have something that used to store it in their belly, in their body system. In their
Okay.
system.
Now let me ask you a question. Do you know what that something is?
Yes.
What
Is it pollination? Sir?
is it now that stores it on their body? You said something now, so I'm asking you, what is it?
His friend I just said it though.
Okay,
I
okay,
don't
nice.
know, but I
I want
just
you.
know pollination. Thank you.
Are you listening to me?
Yes.
Let me explain how pollination happens. All right.
Okay.
So pollination, right? You see how flowers are looking very very colorful, right?
Yes, sir.
You know that
We have a lot in our garden.
thank you. Flowers look colorful for a reason. Let me tell you why they look colorful. That is how they attract butterflies. Yes. So butterflies get attracted to the flower. Guess what?
Attracted.
Yes, when they get attracted to the flowers, they come from the flower itself. There's something in the flower that equally attracts them too. Now, while the butterfly is sucking what it's looking for in the flower, guess what happens? There's some hair. That's what you are talking about. That's on their body. That the pollens from the flower get stuck to. As they get stuck to it, the butterfly doesn't know all this is happening. No, it's just busy trying to get its own food. Guess what will happen? As the butterfly is done with the flower and it starts flying away, do you know what it does? It takes some of the pollen from that flower with it. Did you see that?
Yes.
And guess what? The next time the butterfly goes to another flower, what do you think will happen? that pollen that it took from the first flower that it sucked from, by the time it descends on the second one, it will now drop it on the second one. And that pollen will enter what is called, I think it's the stigma, okay? The stigma of that second flower and fertilize it. That is how pollination happens. Did you get that?
Okay, sir.
So now, I guess I've already told you the answer to this question. So they now ask,
Yeah.
which of the following insects is an agent? An agent of something means it helps that thing to happen. So, which of the following is an agent of pollination?
Butterfly.
Excellent.
I
That's
knew
it.
that's all along.
Good. All right. So let's move on. Okay. So have you written
John.
it down?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Excellent. Number 47. Hands and feet are made up of small bones called now. Let's see if you know this one. Which one is the answer? Your hands and feet. Your hands and your feet are made up of small bones called what?
Sir, I don't know how to go. Is a femula.
Are you guessing? Are you sure? If you are not sure, don't.
Yes.
You are sure.
Yes.
Let me surprise you. Femur is not a small bone. In fact,
It's a
it's one
big
of the
one.
biggest. Yes, it's one of the biggest bones in the body. It's not a small bone at all. The answer is phalanges. Okay.
Banani.
Yes,
Banani.
phalanges. D. Have you seen it? Yes,
Is
it's
it
D.
this one?
It's D. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Write it down. Don't worry. Today you are learning a lot of things. So just write it down in your book.
Yeah, it's
By,
not this. It's not.
by
It
the
is
time
a very
you
long
write,
word.
you said what?
It's a very long word.
Oh yes. Not too long. It's not long ago. It's not long.
How many words is it, sir?
Reason why it looks long is because it's the first time you're seeing it. By the next time you see it, you see that it's very. All right. Okay. So
It just
so
has
which is
9 words. 9 letters. Me, I'm the same age as it too.
okay. All right. So number 48. It says the following are effects of heat on substances except. Now, take note of what I'm going to say now. Anytime you see the word except, what are you supposed to do? Who can tell me?
Something that happens. Something
Eh?
that it does not is not participated in. No, something that is bad. No, nothing that is not should not be participated in. Something that is not good to our surrounding is not human. Except means that
Okay.
it's not participated in.
Hold on. Let me explain it. I think people are seeing it from different angles. So let me explain it, and we will see the angle that two of you are looking at it from. Favor said it's something that is not to be participated in, right? Favor,
No, it's
right?
faith. It's faith. Participated in something in that is in participated, not participated in.
Okay.
Why?
Then,
Infect is something that is not good for for human body or animals.
but
No
somebody
infect. It expects. I know.
except, except, except. Okay. Now let me see if I can capture what both of you said. I'll try and explain it from the angle. I think what Favor is saying when she said something that is not good for the human body is when you're talking about the kind of food that the human beings should eat and the ones that they should not eat. That is what you will now say. Eat all these foods except examples of food you should not eat because it's harmful to you. And when I say not eat, I don't mean you should not eat it at all, because the truth is that you most of you go to parties, and sometimes when you go to a party or even at home, sometimes you find yourself taking ice cream once in a while, right?
Yes. That is used to favor. Favor is used to it.
You can't be taking ice cream all the time. Are
It's
we
not
together?
the time I'm taking it.
Good.
I
So
don't.
that's that fast foods, all those fast foods, hamburgers, pizza, those foods are supposed to be taken in moderation. That's why I think that's where Favor was coming from. then let's look at where Faith was coming from. Faith said something that's not to be participated in. Yes, when you say do all this except, then you're saying is what we should look out for and not do. So now let us apply to this question. This question says the following are effects of heat on substances, except, so we're looking for the one that is not an effect of heat. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So are we ready to look at the options now?
Yes, sir. Change of color, change of shape, expansion of substances, formation of new
Formation
of new substances, decreases in temperature, That is
Okay.
except it.
So yes, except. So which one do you think is the answer?
Change of color. No. Decrease in temperature.
Hold on. Which one are you saying? Are you saying
It is change expansion of substances. It's decrease.
Calm down. Can we talk? Let's discuss. Now, Faith and Favour, I want people to listen carefully. When you heat something, have you ever seen your mom when your mom is cooking?
Yes, sir. Many times.
What do you think is happening to the food when the food is cooking? Whenever you see Indomie in the pot, before it enters the pot and gets heated up, right? Do they look the same?
No, they change shape.
Thank you. Number one, it will change shape. What else does it change?
It changes the color.
Yeah. So why did you not say please take note. Except means everything here is correct. One of them is not correct. We're looking for that one that is not correct. We're not looking for the ones that are correct. Are we together? Now I think somebody is thinking now. So so which one do you think is the answer now?
I said it.
Correct. Now please listen. Anytime you heat something up, are you expecting the temperature to decrease or increase?
Increase.
Thank you. So decrease is the opposite of what? Increase. So the answer is what? E. All right. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you written it down in your book?
I've written down since.
So anytime you see the word except in a question, take note of it. They are telling you the one that does not belong. All right. So we'll take a break now. I'm giving you 10 minutes. Is 10 minutes okay?
Sir, before we go to the break, they have two more questions remaining, and that is all of them. That's in page 30. That we end your page 30. Then we move to the next page is where answers are. Where the answers are.
I want us to do the two questions now, or when you come back from break.
Okay, sir.
When you come back from, one will help us take the pictures of the two remaining ones. Then we will now go to a new question. We'll start a new question. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
So that 10 minutes, you have to look for the next paper we are going to. Is that fine? Are you promising me you will do that before we come back?
Yes, sir. Okay, the next paper is mathematics.
Thank you very much. So we'll break. We're coming back at 10:15. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll be waiting for you. Welcome. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Favour.
I only see one person.
It's time. Mhm. We're back, sir.
Excellent. All right, that's good. So let's take up the two questions left, right?
Yes, sir. It's two, we said it's two.
Okay. So who can read it for us?
Favour.
Who can read the question for us? Read the question.
How
Favour,
many
go ahead.
places? Okay, sorry. The other skill. Which of the following is for in BST? That's not finished. I don't know why. Which of the
So
following
the following what?
Which of the following forces a body falling from a height?
Uh-huh.
Our options is which
Are you
of
sure
the
you're reading it correctly?
yes sir, which of the following forces a
Favour,
body
do
falling?
you want to help her?
Sir? Which of the following forces a body falling from a height?
Forces what?
Forces a body falling from a height.
Oh, uh-huh. What's the next option?
From a height. Option A is body falling.
What's the next option?
Options. Okay. Option A, electronics. Option B, friction. Option C, gravitation.
Uh-huh.
Number
What's B? What's option B?
B, friction.
What's
Option
option B?
D, magnetics. Option E, tension. Tension. A
What's
is not falling from. A is not falling. A is not body falling from a height. It is electronic. Electric. Electronic. Electric. Is it
gravitation
electronic? Electronic. Isn't it? Sir, A is
or gravity?
electronic.
Which one?
Sir, people are saying this is electronic. Sir, people is saying this is electronic. See, electronic.
I didn't get option D. Can you say option D?
C is gravitation. D is
Can
magnetic.
you say option D?
Eh?
Or
Sir?
write it on the screen. Write it on the screen. Or type it on the one and do. Sorry about that. My internet acting now. I type it on the screen again. Electric what? Electric
No,
what?
sir. No. What
I'm sorry. I'm
sir?
sorry.
No, A is this one.
Type it on the screen
What
again.
is
Sorry.
C before the T? C too. C before the T. No worry.
Are you typing it?
Yes, sir. Gravity.
Okay.
Gravitation.
Okay.
No.
Right. You're typing even the question. I didn't even get the question very well. Okay. I want to understand. I want you to type the question too.
Neglect. Then the question. Wait, can I read the question? Oh, yeah. Enter. Move. Enter.
So have you
Read.
typing?
Let me type.
So
No. It's not the I'm not type before now. It's just like read.
okay,
That's it.
please type it now.
So I thought Faith was typing on it before. And she now wants me to type again. She wants to do twice.
Faith.
Leave me. Favour was typing in the first round when he was supposed to write. I not do the first round. I not even touch the computer.
So who is typing now?
It's Faith.
Okay, Faith. So when you are done typing, please let me know.
Okay, sir.
Favor, don't worry. You type the second one, the next question.
Okay, sir.
Faith, try to be faster so that we can get done with this and move to the next one.
This is the last one.
Is that the last question?
No, there's another one. That's 49 in BST. And subs are 50. That's the last word.
Okay, I understand what you're saying. Okay. All right. Electric, friction, gravitation, magnetic tension. It says which of the following forces a body falling? Okay. Which of the following forces? Oh, you could not read it. Do you know there's a typographical error in this question?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Yes. Can you see? Is it not sounding somehow?
Yes.
That's the reason why I didn't get it when people are reading it. So let me correct it. Now, instead of the question to read like this, it's supposed to read this way. Which of the following forces are acting on a body falling from a height? Yes, listen again. Which of the following forces are acting on a body falling from a height? Did you get it now? Should I read it again? Okay, don't worry. Let me type it. Let me type it. Please listen. Just watch. I'm going to type the correct thing now. Please watch. Which which of the sorry, which of the following which of the following is supposed to be singular? Is a force acting? Are we listening? On a body. I'm not hearing any answer. Are we both listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. From a height. Can you see the correct thing now? Can we see the correct question?
Mm-hmm.
Now let us answer the question. Now, which of these options do you think is correct?
The one you wrote. Wait, I want to do something.
No, I mean among the options. Which of the following? Favor, don't do anything now. Faith, sorry, is it Faith that says she wants to do something? Don't do anything now. Just listen. Okay. So I asked the question, which of the following do you think is the correct option?
I think
Elect-
it is. I'm
That
sure
is-
it is tension.
No,
I'm
tension.
sure it's
I
gravitation.
don't get. Who says you are sure it's gravitation?
Favor.
You are sure it's gravitation.
Yes, sir.
Why do you say you are sure it's gravitation? Give me a reason.
Because as you're falling from a height, the gravity of the earth pulls you down
Thank you. Pulls you down to where?
to the ground.
Is it just
Sir,
the
you
ground?
want double I
Yes,
here in
it's
this
a mistake.
height.
Don't worry. Think about it. It's a mistake. You know the correct thing, right? It's a
Yes,
mistake,
sir.
man. So is it just pulling you to the ground, or it is pulling you to somewhere else? Who can tell me the exact
To
place
the
that
middle
force
of the
is?
surface of the earth.
The middle of the earth. Nice one. I can't help but clap for both of you. Well done. Nice job. So it's pulling you to the middle, the center of the earth. Now the reason why you stop at the ground is because you can't pass through the ground, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If you could pass through the ground, forget it. You keep. Don't mind me. I'm just joking. But you understand what I'm trying to say, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So if you like, throw a ball as high as anything. If that ball gets a particular height, it's coming where? It's coming back down, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, let me ask another question. Is it
Even though
possible
you
to
throw a
overcome?
feather,
Yes, even if you throw a feather, it will still come back down. Is it possible to overcome gravitational force? Is it
no,
possible?
no.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's not possible because it's very strong.
Hmm?
Yes,
sure?
it's not possible. It's very strong. If you walk out, it can even kill your life.
Time I ask that kind of question, are you sure?
Yes.
It implies
Hmm?
that the answer is actually gravitational force. Should I tell you how?
Yeah.
Should I tell you how? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now listen. No. Have you ever seen a rocket before? Have you ever seen a rocket in your life? Or in a movie? Have you ever seen?
Yes. I've seen
What do you think? What do you think rockets are doing? What do you
They
think rockets
blasting
are
off.
doing? They blast
Blasting
off.
off
They blast off to where? Where do they blast off to?
to the moon.
Thank you. Do you think if gravity wanted to pull down that rocket, it can pull it down? It's possible. It's not possible.
So it's
You know why it's not possible?
gravitation, I'm sure.
Let me tell you now. I know I'm not saying that you are wrong. Don't. I didn't say you are wrong. I said you are correct. The answer is gravitation. I'm just saying that. Do you know that it is possible for gravitational pull to be overcome? That's the question I asked. So a rocket overcomes it. How? Because of those powerful engines it has. It goes straight into where? Who can tell me where the rocket goes? It goes straight into outer space, right?
Yes, sir.
Once it leaves the Earth's atmosphere, leaves the Earth's atmosphere, guess what happens? Gravitational force ends there. So it can't cool. That is why once a rocket breaks out from the Earth's gravitational field, it's free. In fact, the engines just cut off. Its engines shut down. Why? It doesn't need any engines again. The work of the engines is to do what? Take it as far
to blast
from
off
the
to
Earth.
the
Yes, take it to the moon. And at the moon, guess what? The Earth's gravitational pull does not have any effect there. Are you listening?
sir. So there's no
Did you hear?
food in there. So there's no food there.
There's no food there. I said there is no gravitational pull.
You mean the food is not it does not have any gravity. So just be food floating.
I never said that there's no food. You know that there are people called astronauts. Have you heard of astronauts before?
Yes, sir. Many countless times.
How do you think astronauts survive? They have food now on their spaceship. They eat the food there. What I'm trying to say is that the pull of gravitation does not have any effect on them there in the Earth again. Do you understand?
And how do they sleep in the gravitation if there's in there? So if there's no sun,
how do they sleep? We'll answer that question. But I'm just try to get what I'm trying to say. The gravitational pull on the Earth, right, is weak at that point. Have you ever seen astronauts floating around?
No, I've not seen one in real life. I've seen it.
No. Of course, in a movie. I'm not saying whether you've seen it in real life. They float. That's because the gravitational pull on the moon is smaller than the one on the Earth. So you ask the question, how do they sleep? It's simple now. When they feel like sleeping, they will simply go and attach themselves to their bed and sleep. Because if they don't attach themselves to the bed, they will float. And you understand, they may go and hit something.
How do they attach themselves to the bed? They will use belts.
Thank you. It's a belt, simple. You understand?
Thank you, sir.
All right. So can we quickly look at the other options? Why is electric? Electric is not a force that acts on a body that is falling from a height. Where do we find electric force in?
In electric sockets.
Thank you. Electricity, electric sockets, electric cables, your fan,
electric wires.
Electric wires. Thank you very much. Where do you find frictional force in? Let me see if people will get this one. Where do we find friction in? Friction.
Like we can find friction when we're moving. When you push your feet out, if you're walking, you push your feet up. That's called friction. As you're walking, you have to use friction. Friction is needed. Let me show you the way they write friction these days. What is happening?
Can you give me another example of friction? I'm waiting.
Yes, this is how friction, they write friction now. Don't mind my handwriting.
I'm trying not to mind this.
Yeah.
No, that's not how to write friction. No, that is Fahrenheit. That is a unit for temperature. Fahrenheit. Degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, erase it sharp. It doesn't have anything to do with what we're doing here. Okay, please erase it. Thank you. Let's not confuse ourselves. You have not erased it. You are still writing more things. I said erase it.
And as a car moves, it moves, these wheels turn, and so is this how to write friction? So is this how to write friction?
No. Don't worry. When you guys talk about friction in school, you will see all the different ways to write friction. All right. Yes, you talked about a car moving and the wheels, right? That is
Yes,
also
sir.
an example of friction. But did you know that even your hand, as you are pressing the computer, have you noticed that there has to be
Yes,
some friction between your hand and the computer for it to work well? Do you
yes,
know that? Hmm.
yes.
So that's an example of friction. Friction
And
is just
also in a
simply an opposite.
closet. In a closet. Yes, when 2 inches are rubbing with each other, they are called friction. So you have to use oil to not make it loud.
Thank you so much. That's good. That's lubrication, right? Correct.
That's
Correct.
I've been seeing it on
Now,
a cartoon name. I need to teach you
so
something.
yes, what are the negative sides of friction? What's the negative side of friction? Negative effect of friction.
You will not be human will not be able to walk. Well, human will
No,
not even be able to walk. Because as they
no,
move, they push them. Oh. No, the
no. Is that
negative. It
a
wears off quickly. It wears off. It makes new things to wear off quickly.
wear and tear? Correct. That's good. Okay, let's quickly go to the next wrong option. Magnetic.
Sir,
Magnetic.
I have a question. How many horsepowers are in one car?
It depends on the car. If we start talking about cars now, we will not end this class. So let's leave cars alone. It depends. Don't worry. There are different cars have different horsepower, and it depends on the engine of the car and the car itself. Okay. Okay. So let's talk about magnetic force. Where can we?
Like a magnetized magnet.
Okay. A magnetized magnet or a
Or a
magnetic material.
magnetizer needle.
Okay. So we have two poles in magnetic forces, north and south pole, right?
Yeah.
Excellent. So we know
Also,
that when you bring north pole close to north pole, what happens?
Sir?
When you bring the north pole of one magnet close to the north pole of another magnet, what happens?
The magnetized needle spins around.
It spins around. Thank you. I like that.
I tell you
But
the
why does it
direction
spin
where
around?
you're heading off to.
No. Why does it
Tells
spin
you the
around?
direction where you're
Did you get
going
what I said? You're talking about a compass. Me, I'm talking about two magnets. You bring two magnets together, one north pole and another north pole. What happens when you bring two of them together close to each other?
It spins.
North pole, north pole. It does what?
Spin.
It spins. Why does it spin?
Because two magnets can join. Two magnets magnetized magnets can be have force, so it can spin.
Okay, so let me answer the question. The answer is this. Like poles that are the same, they repel. Okay, what does it mean for something to repel? Who can tell me?
To what?
Repel each
Is
other.
that when they tell someone how it really looks like?
No. Repel.
Don't tell
Don't tell me that I didn't
me.
say repel. Look at what I'm typing on the screen. No, don't be looking elsewhere. Look at my screen. Like poles repel each
Repel
other.
means that something like poles repel each other.
What does repel mean? What does like mean? We've talked about like
Like
terms in
another pole
mathematics.
and one pole joining together.
Mm. So please take note. Anytime you have North Pole, North Pole and North Pole, what will happen? They will do what?
Join
They will
together.
now faith and favor. Let me show you a good example of repelling. Are you listening now?
Yes, sir.
Repelling is like when you are pushing each other apart. I didn't say you should push yourself apart now. Don't push yourself apart now. I'm telling you what it is like. It is like pushing yourself apart. Okay? Repel is to push each other away. While the opposite, which is unlike poles, okay? Unlike is the opposite of like, isn't it?
Yes.
Am I right? Unlike
Yes, sir.
poles will do what? Attract. Attract is the opposite of repel, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. When you guys have you put down magnetism in school?
No.
Oh, so this is just what you know about magnetism.
We used to
That's
do
good. It's
magnetics at home.
good. So anyway you do it, whether it's at home or in school, still the same thing that will happen. All right, let's quickly talk about tension and let's end it. So let's finish this question. What does tension mean? Who can tell me? Tension, tension, tension. What does tension mean?
I've said that she wants to go to Google. When did I say that? You said it. This offer has expired, so.
What does tension? What does tension mean? Tension, tension. What does tension mean?
Tension means I don't know.
Me, you don't know. Thank you very much for being honest and saying that you don't. Okay, so let me ask you a question. Wait, have you ever done this thing in school? Tug of war.
What? Yes, so
I've
done what? Tug of war. Yes. It's especially mostly girls versus boys.
Thank you. You know what I'm talking about. Do you know that rope that you both are holding? In tug of war, there is a force on that rope.
There's a what?
There's a force inside that rope. A force. Let me type it.
Yeah.
This is what I said. Force in that rope that if both of you are holding. Do you know that if that rope is not strong enough, the rope will cut?
Yes.
Do you know that? Why do you think the rope will cut? Because of that force inside the rope, and that force is called
pulling one side to another, so the rope cannot hold it more, and it will cut. One day it's cut though.
Yeah.
Serious. It did for me and Faith. We just caught it. We just fell down that time and our head reached the floor.
Yes. So that force inside that rope that can cut the rope if the rope is not strong enough. It's called tension. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes.
Hello, are you both there? Are you still there?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's go to the next question. Who did I see that will read the next question? Was it Faith or Favour?
Favour is writing on the computer while Faith is. Which of the following is a carbohydrate?
That one is a simple question now. What are the options?
Let me write. No, it's me that I'm writing. I want to just open the textbook. Sorry, I don't see it. So,
Yes, please.
People is using a pen and scratch me on my face. I don't see your face.
Why now? Was it?
I don't see her. I don't say so. I don't see her.
Forgive her. So it's not intentional, okay? Forgive her. Let's have the options, please. Let's have the options.
Eggs. Enter.
What are the options?
Oranges.
I'm listening. Oranges.
Orange.
Second option. Second option.
Palm oil.
Do you want to type it? Palm oil. Palm oil is not a carbohydrate. Next.
Yam. Yam is a carbohydrate.
My goodness, people are good. People are good. Well done. The answer is yam. All the other ones are not carbohydrates. Beans and egg, protein, orange,
Beans and eggs,
vitamin.
they really, when you not see them, it will look as if that your answer is very easy.
Yes. So orange is not a carbohydrate either. Orange is what? Who can tell me what orange is?
A fruit. Orange.
It's a fruit.
Orange is a imo something. No, it's acid. It's a type of acid. It's a type of acid.
Type of acid. Kind of. Is that what I said? Hey.
No.
What did you?
Orange is.
Favour.
No, it's not me that said it's fate. Orange is a type of acid, a citric acid.
Is that what I said?
No, Fate said that that's a citric aid, but Favour says that it is a protein. Oh, we cannot hear you. Oh, your voice is cracking now, we cannot hear you.
The orange contains fruit. Oh, okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. I said that oranges contain vitamins and minerals. Did you get that?
That's what I said. In fact, now I'm confused.
Then what does palm oil give us? What does palm oil contain?
Palm oil contains fat and oil.
Thank you very much. Fat, oil, and finally, yam is carbohydrates. What do carbohydrates do for us? They give us what?
Carbohydrates give us the sugar in our body.
What else do they do for us?
And they also give us carbohydrates.
And they also give us what?
To breathe.
They also give us what?
A safe diet, a balanced diet, balanced diet. It gives us balanced diet, not
They
safe
give
balance.
us energy. Not balanced. It's not balanced diet. It gives us energy. You hear me? Hello, Faith and Favour. Did you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of balanced diet? Since people mentioned it, let me ask you, what's the meaning of
Balanced
balanced
diet contains the 6 classes of food.
Now you're talking. Does it always contain the 6 classes of food? Must it always
No,
contain
but
the
it
6
gives us nutrients and energy.
Okay. So at least there must be some variety, isn't it? Some differences. So a balanced diet must not be only carbohydrates or only protein. It should be a mixture of both or more, isn't it?
Sir, I have a question. How many hours or time have we used?
What did you say?
I said, how many times have we used?
We've not done up to an hour now.
Thank you,
You're
sir.
tired already. You want to go and do?
No, Faith is thinking that she has to go and take her flask to drink water.
She wants to go and drink water. Did you not drink water during break time?
I know, I was doing something in my break.
So you did not drink water.
No.
Okay, don't worry. We have 10 minutes. You can go and drink water when we're done with class. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
All right.
Thank God I have my water
Okay,
with me.
so let us quickly review what we learned today. Are we ready? Let's quickly review what we've learned today, please. It's very important. I want you to, after today, the next time you will see any of these topics, it will be as if you already know it. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
I can only see Favour. I can't.
No, this. Sir.
Okay, so where's Favour?
I'm here.
I can't see now. So come, sit down in front of the camera. Let me see you. Okay, maybe it's because of the way you protect the computer. Favour, can you adjust the computer so that I can see face too? Better. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so I think I can see both of you now. But your camera is blurry. I don't know if you are the one that did it like that. It's actually blurry. So, and then maybe the environment is that. Okay, like I said, let's talk about what we did today. What was the first thing that we learned about today? Who can tell me? Who can
The
tell
first
me?
we
Nobody
learned
should be
about
annotating.
today.
Nobody should be annotating now. What was the first thing we learned about
We
today?
know how to annotate.
What was the first thing we learned about today?
We learned about symbol. We learned about symbols used.
So you want taking notes, see? And I expect that each time I say something,
We talked about basic science.
about basic science. In basic science, what did we first talk about? We talked about cells. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Cells in a battery. Eh? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Can you see where I wrote it on the screen? At the top left corner. Cells in a battery. And I gave you an example that in your mom's phone, there's a battery at the back of that phone, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If you remove that battery with the
remove it, the phone will not work.
it will not work. Why? Because that battery contains electrical energy, and that is what that's what powers up the phone. Okay, so this when you see a long line and a short one in front of it, that is a symbol of a cell. It's a symbol because that's not actually how a battery looks. Is that how a battery looks in real life?
No.
No. So a symbol is something that represents the real thing. Are we together?
Yes.
Are we together?
Yes.
I need to hear you so that I know.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
please, can you write it down so that you don't forget? Please write down what I just said now. What is cell? The cell.
A what?
Cells in a battery. A cell
A
in a battery. Cell. I just look at it there. A cell. Let me type it. Cell in. People need to know how to write down things from dictation. Does the teacher always write down things on the board?
not really.
No,
And since
Usually you take it from the dictionary.
no, I didn't say
Dictate.
dictation. When your teacher
Dictate.
says it to write what
Dictate.
you should be able to write down. A cell in a battery stores what? Electrical energy. Okay, did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Please write it down in your book. I don't want us to miss anything that we've learned today. Like we usually it's math that we do, but occasionally we can stumble on science and equally attend to it. All right. Are you done with writing that?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, the next thing we talked about is the meaning of the word constituent. Do you remember? Constituent.
Consequence.
Okay. Now, what?
Is it consequence or constituents? You said constituent.
I told you now. You said consequence the first time. I said no. Consequence has the letter Q in it. QU, isn't it?
Yes.
This one doesn't have Q in it, so they don't even sound alike. Or maybe because it's over a Zoom call. That's why it's sounding as if they sound alike. Constituent, something that is a part of another thing. Okay, that's what we wrote there, being part of a whole. And I gave you an example of the use of that word in a sentence. The
Yes, sir.
constituent minerals of the rock. It means the minerals that make up the rock, isn't it? Do you remember when
Yes,
we
sir.
talked about? So now the answer, the question that talked about that was, what is granite? What is the constituent of granite? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what did it say is constituent of granite? Granite is composed or made up of what? Look at your book. Did you write in your book quickly? If you've not written it down, please write it down now. Write it down now. Granite is made up of what?
It is made out of.
Granite is made up of.
Sir? Sir,
It's
where
made up
is
of what?
it? Sir, where did you write something just now? Because yeah, it is so small.
So you did not write it. Look at it now.
We wrote it
Granite,
down.
granite. Look at it. Granite. Have
We
you
wrote
seen
it
the
down.
box like this?
We wrote it down. We wrote it down. Granite is decomposed or made up of quartz.
Quartz, feldspar, and what? Mica. Okay, those are constituents of granite. And then in that question, I think the only option that agreed with three of these is quartz. They didn't mention the other. Left it at that. Then the next, they mentioned what? In the question, they didn't mention it now. This one is just me that I told you so that in case they talk about what to answer it. Let's go to the next thing we learned about. We talked about citric acid, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Citric acid. Citric acid is the acid that is found in what? All those fruits that are in the orange family, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like what? Grape, tangerine,
Lime,
lime,
lemon, etc. They are made of citric age.
They are made of citric acid. Now, that question was actually talking about organic acid in milk. Who remembers? The question was talking about organic acid in, and we said, what is the name of the organic acid in milk? Yes. What is the name of the organic acid in milk? This is where I will know whether you were paying attention. What is the name of the acid in milk? The organic acid in milk. What is it called?
Lactics. Wait, the acid in milk.
Lactic, not lactic.
Lactic. Acid in milk is lactic.
Lactic what? Acid. Okay. Lactic acid. If you did not write it down, please write it down.
You wrote it down.
Good. Okay, let's move on then. The next thing we also talked about in line with that is amino acids, which we said are found in protein, like milk, beans, eggs, and even milk itself. You can find a bit of amino acid because it's found in protein. Okay, so next, what do we see? We talked about forces. Which of the following are forces? I think we now corrected ourselves. Which of the following forces are uh, which of the following is a force acting on a body falling from a height, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And what did we say? The only correct answer there is what?
Gravitation.
Yes, gravitational force. Then in line with that, I think I asked you a question. That is it possible for us to overcome gravitational force? Is it possible?
Yes.
How?
By
How do
using rockets.
rockets? Thank you very much. Rockets that escape the Earth's atmosphere. Okay, let's go on. We now talked about okay, all the different options there: electric, friction. We talked about magnetic and tension. Okay, what did we say about magnetic? We said like poles will do what? Repel. What does it mean to repel?
Tell me.
Repel, pel, P-L-E-R-E-P-E-L. Repel.
What?
What does it mean?
Repel is like poles.
Mm-mm.
Rebels are each other. Like rebels is like something like attracts to each other. So it
Mm-mm.
means like something like
Opposite
poles
is the
attracting to
opposite
each other. Or
is
like
the opposite. So that means if attracting will bring two things together. Repelling will do what? Push them apart. True or false? Please write it down in your book.
You say repel, push them aside.
Apart. Repel pushes things apart. Repel pushes.
Pushes. So we're writing it.
I know. Things. I'm also writing it too for you. Apart. That's when I was telling you people that imagine you and Faith and Favor are pushing, you are pushing yourselves apart. That's what repel means. That's what it's like.
Why is he pushing me? I don't push.
I know that she would like to demonstrate. Hmm? So North Pole and North Pole will do what? Repel each other. While North Pole and South Pole will attract each other because they are not the same. Right?
Yes, sir.
And then we now talked about sources of carbohydrate, and we said yam is the only correct answer there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Any other question before we call it a day? We've been able to do one. Any question?
Yes, sir.
What's the question?
How does a rocket escapes the gravitation of the Earth in the middle?
Okay, it's a good question. I'll see if I can just quickly explain it using a
Short
simple
definition.
not really a definition, but just watch me. I'm going to demonstrate something. I want to use a picture, and then I will show you.
Sure.
Yes, just watch. I'm so can you see that arrow that I drew?
Yes, sir.
Watch. I want to do something. Now, can you see it is pointing downwards?
Yes.
Listen carefully, please. Just listen. There is a law in science, specifically a law in physics. Have you heard of physics before?
I've heard it so many times. It's not a new one.
Thank you so much. Now, there's a law in physics that says that for every action, there is an equal but opposite what? Reaction. Have you heard that law before?
No, I'll note it down. I'll note it down.
Okay, good. You can note it down. It's one of Newton's laws of forces.
One of
Newton's laws of motion. Is it laws of motion now or forces? I've forgotten. But anyway, it's Newton's law. Okay. Now, for every action, there's an equal but opposite what? Reaction. So let me show you. I think it's better for me to show you with a picture. Have you ever seen when a rocket is taking off? Who has seen it before? Have you ever seen when a rocket is taking off? Don't worry. Let me find a picture for you. rocket taking off. I want you to look at this very carefully. I'm going to share my screen now.
Okay.
Please watch you, so that if you can learn anything from this, please learn it. Okay. Can you see my screen?
No, sir.
You can't see my screen.
You can see it. Don't mind.
Okay. Now watch. I'm going to play this video. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Can you see?
So how does it burst out fire?
How does it do what?
Burst out fire out of it. How does it do it?
I don't know what it says.
I said, how does it burst out fire?
Okay, hold on.
Hear the power telemetry on the
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff. Liftoff of Falcon Heavy with Europa Clipper, unveiling the mysteries of an enormous ocean lurking beneath the icy crust of Jupiter's moon, Europa.
Engine chamber pressures are nominal.
See that the chamber pressures are normal as we hear. All 27 Merlin engines look great.
Rocket beginning to roll. Putting down 5.1 million pounds of thrust.
All right, let me answer your question. You said, why is it that what?
A rocket bursts out fire when it's taking off.
You,
So it can
the
fly
reason
now.
why it bursts out fire is this. That is arrow that was pointing down. As those forces, the heat from the engine and the gases are being burned by the engine are going down. The equal, remember that law, for every action, there's an equal but opposite reaction, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So the opposite of down is what? Who can tell me?
Up.
Thank you. So that is why as the engines are pushing out gases forcefully, that fire that is coming, that is that you have seen that you are calling fire, the rocket is going to be doing what? Going where? Up. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
That's just how the rocket flies up. And when it continues like this, guess what will happen? There is a height it will get to. It will leave the Earth's gravitational field. And at that point, it has escaped from the Earth's gravitational field. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
That's how it works. There's no mystery to it. So have I answered your question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, so let's allow Favour to go and finish her, or is it Faith that has not finished her homework?
Favour didn't finish, but I'm almost done.
That's
Yes.
it.
But what I don't really love about that drawing is about to draw a bat.
A bag,
Bat.
bat.
Bat. B-A-T. Bat.
Okay, BAT.
Yes, bat.
Okay, a bat like the one for what's the use of that?
And bat is a mammal that used to stay on. I used to come out in the night.
So like that animal, the bird bat, right?
Yes.
Okay, I understand. So you don't like drawing bat?
No. They even gave us a project that we should draw a bat.
Oh. Okay. So you may not draw it perfectly, right? But just try your best. Do it however you can, okay?
Even though I can draw, I cannot draw parts.
Why can't you draw back? Is there anything wrong with that?
Because of it, I can draw the left correctly, but the right wing will not be correct. To
Okay,
point it to another direction.
Right. If you want to draw something like that that looks the same on both sides, what I will advise, you take a piece of paper, you split it into two. Are you listening?
Yes.
Split it into two. Which side do you say you can draw? You can draw the left side very well, right?
Yes, sir.
So that left side, draw it so well that your pencil will press down on the other part. Remember, you have folded the paper. Okay.
Yes.
So draw it in such a way that it show on the second paper that is under. When you fold it like that, when you are done drawing the left wing, whatever you drew show on the other paper. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Now, when you do that, when you unfold the paper, you will now see how you see that the one that you drew well, the other side, will show on the second one. You can now use your hand and trace it. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
So give it a try. I'm sure it will work.
Okay, sir.
All right. Okay, so our next class will be on Saturday by God's grace. All right.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I hope people should go to bed on time on Friday. All right.
Yes, sir.
That we can have our class at 8 o'clock. Okay.
So I woke up since, but I went to go and greet my mommy in the morning. She was not awake by this time.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
I understand. It's fine. Mommy was tired. Okay. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day. See you again on Saturday, 8 o'clock.
Bye.
All right. Bye bye. Great pleasure for me.
Okay, sir.